So there's actually a flood in my town right now. I'm actually about to go now, but like where I'm actually at, like where my house is at, it's not as bad, but like in certain areas in our town, it's like really bad, and it's coming up to like actually like waist high, and there's like cars like floating around, and it's actually pretty weird. So yeah, we're actually about to head out now, and I'm gonna check it out. My dad's already down there like live streaming the whole thing, and he already has like 2,000 views on one live stream. Are you going?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So yeah, see y'all down there. So I'm using my phone light to give light, so sorry if it's really bad, but we made it down to the place where it's really bad. They actually closed off this part of the city, but we had to sneak in, so we did. Okay, unfortunately it's like so dark you can't see any of the videos. Like if I take a video, it'll be super dark, so I'll have to take pictures of like all the stuff that got messed up. So yeah.
Come back and bring my camera.
They have a boat, so that's how bad it was. On my Facebook page, you guys can see it, but